So open your phone for a second. Just look at your contacts, your followers, your group chats. Now think about this. You know Aman. Aman knows Priya. Priya knows someone you have never even met. And somehow, all of you are connected. That invisible web of connections? That is a graph. You have been living inside one your whole life, you just never knew its name. Picture a simple map of your city. You have got places, your home, your school, the local market, a friend's house. And you have got roads connecting all of them. In graph language, we give these two things proper names. Each place, your home, the market, we call a node. Sometimes you will hear people call it a vertex. Same thing, do not get confused. It is simply a point. And each road that connects two places, that is an edge, a link, a connection. That's it. So that is the whole foundation. Nodes and edges, points and the links between them. And just like that, you already understand what a graph is. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Not all connections are the same. Think about roads once more. Some streets are two-way. You can go from home to the market and come back the very same way. We call this an undirected graph, the friendship type. If you are friends with someone on Facebook, then they are also friends with you. It happens both ways, automatically. But some connections go only one way. Think of a one-way street. Or even better, think of Instagram. You can follow a big celebrity, but that celebrity is not going to follow you back, right? That is a directed graph. The arrow points only one way, from you to them, not back. So just remember it like this. Undirected is a two-way street, like friendship. Directed is a one-way street, like following someone. There is one more type, and trust me, you already know this one as well. Imagine you open Google Maps. The road from your home to the market is not just a plain line. It has a distance, 5 kilometers. Or maybe a time, 10 minutes. When an edge carries a number like that, we call it a weighted graph. The weight can be distance, cost, time, anything you want. And the kind without any numbers, just plain connections? That is called unweighted. Simple as that. So let us bring it all together. A graph is just nodes, the things, and edges, the connections between them. If the connection goes both ways, it is undirected, like friends. If it goes one way, it is directed, like followers. And if the connection carries a number, it is weighted, like the distance on a map. Friend networks, city maps, the internet, flight routes between airports. All of these are just graphs, nodes and edges, nothing more. And you understood every single bit of that. No scary maths, just connections. Next time, we will answer a question that sounds very simple but actually trips up a lot of people. How does a computer actually store a graph? It cannot see your city map or your friend network. So how do we take all these nodes and all these connections and put them inside code? It turns out there are two main ways. The first one is called an adjacency matrix. And the second one is an adjacency list. Both of them get the job done. But choosing the wrong one can make your program crawl very, very slowly. We will break down both in full detail in the next video. So, see you there.